Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lovebug by the Jonas Brothers. We will begin by exploring the fundamental chords that form the backbone of this catchy tune. You will primarily use G, C, D, and E minor. We will also cover a simple strumming pattern, typically a down-down-up-up-down-up, which is perfect for beginners. Additionally, placing a capo on the 2nd or 4th fret can simplify the chord shapes and match the original key. Moving on, let's dive into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse often follows a progression like D, C, G repeating 4 times. For the pre-chorus, you might transition to C, E minor, F, and C, building anticipation. Pay close attention to maintaining a steady rhythm and tempo as you switch between these chords. Practice these sections slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed for smooth transitions. Now, let's tackle the memorable chorus and the bridge. The chorus typically uses G, D, C, and G, with a more energetic strumming pattern to reflect the song's main hook. The bridge might introduce a different feel, perhaps with chords like D, C, G, and E minor, offering a slight variation. Remember to adjust your strumming intensity to match the song's dynamics, making the chorus sound full and vibrant. Finally, we'll explore the guitar solo and the song's outro. The solo often features melodic lines that can be played on the higher strings, using notes from the G major scale. Focus on clear articulation and smooth transitions between notes. For the outro, you will typically repeat the chorus chord progression, gradually fading out or ending with a strong final G major chord. This brings the song to a satisfying close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.